Learn the solution to the Shift key stopped working problem in Windows 11. Guaranteed fixes in just a few moments. Open the accessibility page on the Windows system using shortcut by pressing Windows plus U keys together. Next, scroll down the accessibility page and click Keyboard under Interaction section at the bottom as shown below. On the Keyboard page, turn off the Sticky Keys toggle button at the top as shown below. Then click on the Sticky Keys to see more options. On the Sticky Keys page, you can see many options with toggle button. Please turn off all these options by turning off the toggle buttons as shown below. Similarly, turn off the Filter Keys toggle button just below Sticky Keys option as shown below. Then click on Filter Keys option. Turn off all the toggle buttons listed on the Filter Keys page as shown below. After it is done, close the page. First, you should right-click on the Start button on the taskbar, which is present in the center. Then select Device Manager from its context menu as shown below. This opens the Device Manager window on your system. Now expand the Keyboards option from the list of devices shown by double-clicking on it as shown below. Next, right-click on the keyboard driver below Keyboards and select Update Driver from the menu as shown below. In the Update Drivers window, tap on Search automatically for Drivers option as shown below. This will update the keyboard driver if it was outdated. Or else it will display a message that said, "The best drivers for your device are already installed as shown below." Click Close at last and restart your computer once. After it is done, close the Device Manager window. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager. Click the Device Manager app from the search results as shown in the below screenshot. Go to Keyboards option from the list and expand it by double-clicking on it. Then right-click on the keyboard driver and click Uninstall Device from the context menu as shown below. This will uninstall the keyboard device from the system. Close the Device Manager window and reboot the system. After the system starts up, you can see that the keyboard and all its keys are working fine. First, open the Run command box by pressing together the Windows plus R keys. Type control.exe/name Microsoft Troubleshooting in the text box and hit Enter key. Now the Troubleshoot page appears on the system. Click Other Troubleshooters option from the list as shown below. Then scroll down the list and click Run button of the keyboard option as shown below. It will then start troubleshooting the keyboard and detects any issues and gets the fix for you. Perform any on-screen instructions for fixing the issue. Perform any on-screen instructions for fixing the issue. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.